So guess who has a package today? Me. Moi. I do. All right, this is the Outre Big Beautiful Hair, the clip-ins. And I have it in 4C Coily Fro, natural black. It comes with 9 pieces. It is 100% human hair, premium blend. It's not all human, okay? It's blended with some synthetic fibers, okay? But it's okay. It's all right because when I can achieve these, I'm good. I'm okay. They weren't expensive. That's where I got them from, okay? Yep, okay. And when you flip it over, it shows you how it all comes, what's all in there. You get 9 pieces total, like I said, and you get these inches in wefts. Okay, you get all of this. This shows you how to install, how to get different installs, different looks with the install or whatever. And I'm excited. So if you guys want to stay tuned to see how this turns out, do just that. Okay, loves, I just want to go ahead and tell you guys the pros and cons of this hair. We're gonna start with the pros. It's very affordable. It's cute if you want to just throw in some curly hair, no fuss, and go. But if you actually want a style per se, I don't know, like you have to have a very specific style with this hair, because my only complaint is it does not mimic 4C hair like at all. Like that's what took me so many tries to get this right, and I had to manipulate it so much until now it just looks like very, very kinky, which in my explanation, I think it should have looked this way in the beginning, so I wouldn't have to do so much. The very first time I tried it, I could have made that work. I think if I just put it all in a different way and shaped it how I did this one, I think it would have worked out good per se. But it just wasn't matching my hair. And I'm gonna step up so you guys can see. This is my 4C hair. This is the 4C clip-ins. Okay, so I think I got them in natural black. I dyed my hair jet black, so it's kind of like but it's okay. Like I ain't even tripping on the color. Okay, but it just takes so much. Like I said, if you just want to get some clip-ins and throw in your hair and go, like braid your hair back, or you know what I'm saying, have your hair all back and just put the clip-ins and style them that way, perfect. Super, super perfect, super affordable. But if you want something to mimic 4C hair, nope, don't do it. Don't waste your time. I'm not downing them, but I'm not 100% in love with them. They're gonna work because I made them work. I made them look like my hair. But it took me brushing out the curls, washing, like drenching the hair, and then like braiding it up and twisting it at the ends with shea butter and water, and then rodding it at the ends to get that little curl look at the end that you see. Like it took a whole wash day per se to get them to look this way. And even then, like all of the curls that come in the hair isn't all gone, as you can see, but it like that was the only way I was gonna put them in my head, like put them in my head and walk out the door with them. I had to literally make them almost look like my hair. And for the price, I don't think I should be complaining, but for it to say 4C coily hair, that ain't it, mama. That is not it. But I do like how I got them in now. My hair looks so full, and I can't even be mad at that. Like that part I'm not mad at, but it just takes so much manipulation to get it to look this way. If it's not a problem to you, go out, get it, try it, you know what I'm saying? But if you want something to just throw in your hair and go, girl, to match 4C, girl, not happening. But overall, I like this look. If I was to get these clip-ins again, I would just go through and do it again. Do what I did the third time, on the third try, to get it to like this. I would just go in and do that. So I'm actually gonna wear these until they get like super duper ratty, and then probably get some more, unless I find some other clip-ins that don't make me do so much manipulating to get something that looks like my hair. But other than that, they're super cool. I think they were like 22 bucks. So, you know, I can't complain. You get what I'm saying? Like I can't complain too much, but if something says 4C coily, I would expect it to look like 4C hair. And nowadays, most stuff don't. You know what I'm saying? So, overall, I like them. I'm not in love with them. I like them. Would I purchase them again? If I couldn't find something to get this look, yes. But if I find something else to get this look already, absolutely not. I'm not downing them, but like I said, I'm not 100% in love with them. They're gonna work for me. I made them work. If it's something that you want to try, do that. And like I said, everything else will be down in the drop bar. So y'all take care, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, lovies.